So this wonderful thing was the start to my wonderful day. We went garage sailing. This is a Coleman Peak 1 Model 400 stove. I've been looking for one of these for a very long time, and they're very expensive. Brand new, they're about $45, but this is a dual fuel, and this is the one where when you travel, it has these tough legs, so that way you can stand it on uneven ground if you need to, and cook. Really slick. It works. It needs some more fuel, or it needs some more gas though. I can show you this real quick. Hang on a second here. Sorry for the poor camera quality. The camera woman's inside. So there's not that much fuel in here, just to give you a heads up. The nice thing I like about these Coleman stoves is the directions are right on the container. So off. Turn it on first. Big explosion. Not really. It's starting to run out of fuel here soon, but you can feel it. The nice thing that makes this different from the ones you buy at Walmart is you can see how the flame is lower than this rail here. Well, that's a wind guard, so I can put my plants and everything on there. Or not my plants, but my stove or pan. It works great. Turn it off. And then not only was I able to buy some solar panels yesterday, but Anna said I can buy a bagger. So I got a bagger. It works great. No grass on the front yard. And then also we did the garden beds today. Oh, it's bright. Put some more mulch in there. Look at how big these plants are getting. They're just getting absolutely huge. And then here's the outside of the storm door. It actually looks really good. I'm quite impressed with myself for never doing it before. And I repaired some of the mortar. I got to do it again. I was putting some mortar in it and I fell over, so it kind of looks a little messy. And I repaired the crack right there. And we're gonna paint this once the house we get siding in the house. And then we did the bed over there.